president who set aside this area as a national monument in 1909 to save the declining herds. Now,
When your girlfriend suddenly sets a boundary, don't cross it is the simplest rule.
Come here. Thank you.
They together can be an iconic duo in a movie about cats whirl. Well, there are lots of stories between boys that can't be revealed to you, girl.
No, no, you stop. That's my food.
Wait, isn't he supposed to hate being showered at all costs? This is weird.
Huh?
I wonder if they are performing some kind of ritual. Cat isn't designed to do that, is it? Okay, that's much more reasonable. Cat's mood is like a roller coaster. It changes every second. You won't have a nice sleep, I swear.
Sorry.
Okay, according to everything I have seen, why are you the one who's mad, bro?
All right, here's my cat. Do the thing, you know, with the likes and the shares, and make my cat famous.
Tell me, who hurt you, buddy? Oh, never mind. He's just dumb.
Stop, you're too cute.
Learning calisthenics is a bit too impressive for a kitten.
Bear! Bear, no! Leo, no! Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Bear! 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 I was just cleaning your litter box! No, 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 no! God. Ooh.
Oh my god.
While his homies go hunting fishes, he was defeated by the toy fish. What a dummy!
No idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Boop! Whoa, what? Is something wrong? I think I had a nightmare. Rule number 1, never sleep on the edge of the bed.
He's like, oh!
He won't fall into it, will he? Wow, the situation turns quickly. His future in IT major seems to be dark. Don't mind him, just a silly cat doing its daily routine.
You good there, Knox?
Oh my god.
Die Scottish Folkpoes. Ja, deze is niet zo mooi.
People often tell others to know the limit. Guess what? Besties have none. This must be a perfect catch, 'cause cat's so fast. Oh, never mind. Cats' fights are usually finding the stronger or more silly. Her owner would be so disappointed if she saw this, I promise. He will need a more specific lesson on how to open a bottle. Cats love chaos. They will act when you don't expect it the most. It's interesting that those pigeons can defeat him even when he's not there. Accept it, you will have a pretty stinky morning.
Get it, cat. Come on, cat, get it. Get it. You're going to get it. He wants it. The cat is useless. The cat is useless.
It depends on your cat, but yeah, let's not buy it.
Here's the first one. Hello.
Raising two cats with totally different hobbies is like hosting an international meet every day.
In my plan.
Are you done, dude? Hey, are you asleep already? Wake up! Never underestimate a cat with something like leaving a key being still inside the lock. Instead of running away like every other, he plays with it. Is that legal? One of the most normal situations I've seen so far.
What in the world? What happened? How did you do this?
Moment he stops rotating will definitely be hilarious. Told ya. My God, she looks so disappointed. That's right, girl. Forget him. Or not. Is this a way to lose weight even while drinking water? I have to write it down now.
In ancient times, cats were once worshipped as gods, and they have not forgotten.
I swear, once I find my cat food, you'll know my paws. Oh, wait! Is there anyone? No. Okay, let's continue. You've done a great thing. His dream is definitely wonderful.
Huh? Nope.
Man, that scene is like walking out from a movie. I will do this just once. Look closely. What are you looking at? Is there any food inside these drawers? I wonder. Seems not.
So this kind of water seems to be okay, but this kind, the enemy.
For a moment, I thought he was on a high place. Who are you? Don't come any closer. I will call police. It has such a talent in this industry. Let it approach some professional course.
You haven't noticed? I'm weird. I'm a weirdo. I don't fit in, and I don't want to fit in.
That still counted as a creative way of drinking water, I think. When Cat finds out something interesting, for sure it won't stop.
down from there. You crazy man.
As they always say, the one committing crime looks suspicious every time.
Kylie!
Man, so that just isn't a nightmare. That's definitely not the right way to choose the curtain. I bet this dude is grounded and is trying to escape. Never touch your cat without their permission. Don't worry, being silly is their daily mission.
Quit it! That hurts. Stop it. You acoustic. Ow!
Narrow spaces are truly cat's paradise. Can someone explain for me? Why does he consider laptop as edible?
Ах ты падла, неужели ты будет сосать собрался? Охереть!
The chase between cat and its tail will never stop.
This is how it is literally every time I leave the shower door open.
Come and buy me, sweetheart. I'm all yours. Knowing about their stubbornness, and you'll be no surprise about this anymore. Being unable to use the remote gives him dizziness. They better give him an instruction about how to use the cat tree right.
Oh, God!
Sam seems to like the washed bedsheet a lot.
I'm just fixing the sheets, please.
If you're raising a cat, never let them enter the bathroom.
We got smartass here, and we got dumbass in the dishwasher.
Size doesn't matter if you have a strong will. This small game actually creates quite a good melody. Listen, guys. Today, Cat will introduce to you the only way to get stuck out of nowhere when you're bored. Especially, it's a step-by-step.
이게 가슴에.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.